Hey food enthusiasts, ready to take a delicious journey across India's diverse culinary landscape? I'm super excited to share with you the best dishes from every state in India. Grab your taste buds and let's dive in. First up, we have Punjab in the north. Think buttery, creamy and rich flavors. Butter chicken with its luscious tomato gravy and sarson da saag with makki di roti will make your heart sing. Don't forget to try lassi, it's the perfect cooling companion. Next, we head to Rajasthan, famous for its royal heritage and spicy cuisine. Dal bati churma is a must-try. The baked bati, lentil dal and sweet churma create a harmony of flavors. And for a snack, pyaz kachori is unbeatable. Let's move to Gujarat, where the food is as vibrant as the culture. Dokla, with its soft, fluffy texture and slight tanginess, is the star. And for a sweet ending, try some jalebi. Crispy, syrupy goodness. Now, on to Maharashtra. Vada pav, the ultimate street food, is a spicy potato fritter stuffed in a bun. It's simple, yet so satisfying. Also, don't miss out on puran poli, a sweet flatbread that's just divine. A quick trip to Goa, where seafood reigns supreme. Prawn balchao and Goan fish curry are bursting with coastal flavors. The tangy, spicy kick will leave you craving more. Over to South India, we start with Tamil Nadu. Here, the dosas are legendary, crispy and golden with a hint of fermented tang. Pair it with sambar and coconut chutney for a true delight. In Kerala, the land of spices, try the Kerala sadhya, a lavish feast served on a banana leaf. And for something sweet, payasam is a creamy, dreamy dessert that's hard to beat. Finally, we head east to West Bengal. Bengali cuisine is all about the balance of sweet and spicy. Fish lovers, try the iconic maka jol. For dessert, nothing beats the creamy goodness of mishti doi. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of India's best dishes. Each state has its own unique flavors and traditions, making Indian cuisine a true treasure trove for food lovers. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your favorite Indian dish in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep eating. End with a smile. Happy eating!